How to change your profile pic for your Samsung Galaxy A54. And of course, this is for the Samsung account. Okay, so when you're in the settings section here, you'll see your Samsung account if you're logged in. And of course, you will need to be signed in or logged in order to make changes to these settings on your Samsung phone. Okay, let's get started. To do this, you can use the quick panel access and tap on the settings option right up here at the top right. Once you're here, you'll see the part to the top where it says your Samsung account here. And of course, you'll just simply tap here first. Now that you entered here, you'll go ahead now and tap on the profile pic itself, which is the one right up here at the top. As you tap on it, you'll see these options here. And of course, you can choose from a gallery photo that you have saved on your photo. You can select from an AR emoji. If I do this here, of course, you will need to run through all of this, set it up, customize it, whatever. And then once you're done setting up everything, then you can be able to choose that setup emoji. Okay, so I'm just showing you that from here. Okay. But other than that, if you have a particular photo from your gallery app, you can take it from there. Or if you have a photo that you want to take of yourself, you can go ahead and take that picture and do that. But let's say I go from here and I want it to be one of these here. Okay, of course, I'm not going to save it as this here, but when you're here, you can adjust the size of it. You can like zoom in and then move it around to what you want to show as your profile pic. Okay, I'm just showing you how this is working, what it can do. And then once you're done with your changes, press done, of course, and that's going to appear as your profile pic. Okay, it's going to load up, it's going to process, and sometimes it might take a few minutes before it can actually show up as that, even though you already saved it. And then you can come back and change it if you don't like what you see, if anything. Okay, but remember, you must be signed into your Samsung account in order to get access to these features here. Okay, like and sub.